Pandai sareng Bu Guru Lola. We meet again in Sunda class for grade 4 in ABC Kids School. This time we're going to learn how to read sentences in Sundanese, of course. Maca kalimat. We will start from the simplest one. The sentence is only consists of 2 words and 3 words. For examples, I am reading a book. I read. In English, in Sundanese, abdi maca.
Hayu urang tingali contoh-contoh kalimah ieu. Please repeat after me. Emak tuang. Teteh ngepel. Dani resep ngojai. Bu Eva ngajar Sunda. Nah barudak, kumaha? Gampil pan? Ayeuna Bu Guru bakal nuliskeun sababaraha kalimah dibaca sing bedasnya, ulah hilap bari direkam dina video. Teras kirimkeun ka Google Classroom Basa Sunda.